What is truly the fastest path to success in network marketing? I'll explain in this video. Hey, my name is Amanda. Welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. It's my mission to help you make more money in your business using the internet. So make sure you hit subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss any more videos. So if you search for this phrase, the fastest path to success in network marketing on YouTube right now, those videos are going to tell you exactly these things. First, get a mentor. Secondly, attend as many events as you possibly can. Choose a really good company. So choose a company that's been around for a long time or pays you a high amount of commissions. Incorporate yourself so that you can get a lot of tax breaks, and use the company formula. So, some of these I do agree with. For example, getting a mentor. You don't have to necessarily go and pay someone to be your mentor. A lot of those people will talk about, hey, make sure you join someone who already will be your mentor, someone who's willing to be your mentor, like your upline, right? But that's not necessarily realistic, because maybe your upline person got you into the company, but maybe they actually aren't the most successful person. So how do you overcome that obstacle? Because if they're your mentor, then you can only be as good as that person, right? So one of the things that you can do is you can utilize the power of the internet and basically join groups of people who are also in this business that you're in, or just network marketing in general. So, groups. Now, what is another reason why you want to use the internet rather than just going and attending events and using the company formula? Let's say you meet someone and you want to go on a date with them, but instead of taking their phone number and their contact information yourself, you pass them on to your grandpa, who has stinky breath and they don't know who he is. He's a little bit creepy. Is that person going to give your grandpa their information? I don't know. It's probably kind of weird, right? And that is basically what these companies do. You're the one creating the rapport in the beginning, and then you're sending them to this unknown entity. That is also how it works when you're following the company formula. You find them and you say, hey, go visit this website. And now it's kind of like, what's this website? Who's this company? And so you lose a little bit of their trust and your rapport with them. So we have to change our thinking and think more like the younger generation who's online. Let's face it, most of them are a little bit flaky and they don't want to leave their homes. They just want to be on their computers and be on their phones and network that way, which is totally fine. In fact, it's actually better for us because now we can use online groups to our advantage. And we also have to remember, who are we speaking to when we are talking to our audience? There's two types of customers for us in network marketing businesses. Typically, they are salespeople or they are customers. So salespeople love selling and customers love the product. And so that is really important when we're thinking about the fastest path to success in network marketing. That is truly just creating the right message for who we're talking to, right? So now, if we kind of recap what we talked about, first of all, we are using the power of the internet to reach more people than the traditional hotel meeting or conference, whatever. Secondly, we are creating our message directed specifically towards who we want to target. And you have to keep that in mind at all times. Your messaging needs to stay consistent. So do you want more customers or do you want more salespeople? So let me know in the comments below, who's your target audience? Do you prefer having more customers who love the product, or do you prefer having more salespeople who just love selling? And lastly, we're going to talk really quick about how we can first get these people in and then bridge them into the company page. We do this with what's called a sales funnel. If you want to learn more about sales funnels for network marketing, I'm going to put a link down in the description below to this free book called Network Marketing Secrets. And you'll get all the secrets you need to learn about maximizing your network marketing business online. And there's a bunch of free funnels and all that good stuff in there for you. Right, so it's actually really quite simple. We grab people with some curiosity, right? Put a little curiosity headline in there and grab their email address. Now, this is similar to doing a three-way call or a conference call or having your upline call the person and close them on the deal, right? You don't need any of that stuff anymore. You can follow up simply via email. And let's face it, this is a lot easier than getting someone to jump on a phone call or come and meeting up with you and your upline, right? Next, you'll send them over to what they call a bridge page. And a bridge page is essentially where you are bridging the gap of their fears and their desires to why they need to join this opportunity. Why is your company what they need, right? Either as a customer or as a salesperson. And remember, you need to keep that in mind. And then lastly, once they trust you on that page and you offer them whatever you're going to offer them, then you finally send them to Grandpa or the corporate website. Now, this might seem a little bit daunting at first, but don't worry. In the description below, you can grab this free network marketing book. Just pay the shipping. And inside that book, you will have access to all of these sales funnels, and we'll also tell you a little bit more about how you can easily create them online with click of a button. So if you found this information useful, please make sure you hit the like button and share this with your fellow network marketers. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.